One Chinese company is destroying every car brand you grew up with, and most people have never heard of it.
I'm Kashif. Today we find out if BYD is a scam or the company that rewrote the entire car industry.
BYD, for Build Your Dreams Batteries, started in 1995 as a battery company in a tiny rented warehouse in Shenzhen.
BYD's founder, Wang Chuanfu, started by making rechargeable batteries for Nokia phones, not cars. Today, BYD employs 700,000 people and operates the largest electric vehicle factory on Earth.
A new era of electric vehicles has begun, with sales reaching new heights in 2023.
BYD outsold Tesla globally in 2023, a result that shocked the entire automotive world.
BYD invented the Blade battery, a revolutionary design that is safer, cheaper, and longer lasting than anything Tesla uses.
The Blade battery passed the nail puncture test without catching fire, something most lithium batteries catastrophically fail.
BYD makes its own batteries entirely in-house, giving it a cost advantage no other car company can match. BYD controls its entire supply chain, from raw lithium mining to finished car components, something no Western automaker does. BYD sells cars in over 70 countries, from Norway to Brazil to Australia, expanding faster than any car brand in history.
Before cars, BYD conquered the electric bus market, and its buses now run in London, Los Angeles, and Amsterdam.
Over 50,000 BYD electric buses operate worldwide, quietly cleaning up city air without anyone noticing the brand.
BYD electric taxis carry millions of passengers daily in cities across China, Europe, and Southeast Asia.
BYD built its own car carrier ships to transport EVs globally because existing shipping capacity couldn't keep up with its growth.
BYD's Han EV does 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds and costs half the price of a comparable Mercedes EV.
A cutting-edge luxury brand makes a $150,000 SUV that can traverse challenging terrain and navigate through water.
The Yangwang U8 can actually float and drive through flooded roads, a feature no other luxury SUV offers.
At $10,000, the BYD Seagull terrifies Western automakers. They simply cannot build a car that cheap.
Some companies are struggling to balance production costs with market demand. Others are finding innovative solutions to stay competitive.
Volkswagen announced it may close German factories for the first time ever directly because of BYD's price competition.
Tens of thousands of European auto jobs are at risk, and BYD is the main reason why.
The European Union slapped 45% tariffs on Chinese EVs in 2024, specifically to stop.
A company responded to economic challenges by building factories locally. Its first plant opens in 2025.
BYD is also building factories in Brazil, Thailand, and Mexico, planting roots on every continent simultaneously.
Thailand has become BYD's Southeast Asian hub. The company now has 30% of Thailand's EV market in just 2 years.
In Australia, BYD entered the market in 2022 and immediately became the top-selling EV brand within 18 months.
The BYD Atto 3 won multiple awards across Europe and Australia, beating established brands on value and technology.
Some companies offer the best of both worlds, giving customers more options.
Toyota had 20 years of hybrid dominance of weight. BYD matched it in 5.
BYD employs over 90,000 engineers and scientists, more research staff than most countries have in their entire auto industry.
BYD holds more EV-related patents than Tesla, Toyota, and Volkswagen combined. A company is developing innovative batteries that charge quickly and last a long time, a significant step forward in electric vehicle technology.
BYD hired top designers from Audi, Mercedes, and BMW. Its cars now win international design awards.
Cars are updated wirelessly, like a smartphone, with new features added to vehicles already on the road.
BYD's DiPilot self-driving system now rivals Tesla Autopilot, and it's included free in many models. BYD's cars run on a custom operating system with AI integration, making them rolling computers, not just vehicles.
BYD is building its own ultra-fast charging network, capable of adding 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes.
BYD makes electric forklifts, mining vehicles, and construction equipment sealants, electrifying industries nobody talks about.
BYD also manufactures solar panels and energy storage systems, making it a complete clean energy company, not just a car maker.
BYD's home battery, called the BYD Box, competes directly with Tesla Powerwall and is outselling it in several markets.
BYD's grid-scale batteries now store solar and wind power across Australia, Europe, and the Middle East. BYD even builds its own elevated railway, the SkyRail, installed in cities across Brazil, the Philippines, and Egypt. BYD's SkyRail system costs 80% less than a subway, making rapid transit affordable for developing cities worldwide.
European journalists who tested BYD cars came back shocked. They expected cheap and got premium quality.
Ford lost $4.7 billion on EVs in 2023, while BYD made billions in profits selling more EVs at lower prices.
One company earns a profit on every EV it sells. Its competitor loses money on every EV it makes.
BYD responded by planning a Mexico factory. Vehicles built there could enter the USA tariff-free under the USMCA trade agreement. A vehicle made in one country would be classified as part of a larger region, potentially impacting global trade agreements.
BYD's revenue went from $10 billion to $85 billion in just 4 years.
BYD's e-Platform 3.0 integrates battery, motor, and electronics into one unit, making cars simpler, cheaper, and more efficient. BYD offers 20 different models across every segment: compact, sedan, SUV, luxury, and truck. More variety than Tesla.
Sponsoring Europe's biggest football tournament was BYD's masterstroke, normalizing a Chinese brand to skeptical Western consumers.
BYD's brand recognition in Europe tripled in just 1 year peak. Sports sponsorship achieved what advertising couldn't.
BYD opened dealerships in Germany, France, UK, and Scandinavia, right in the home markets of its biggest competitors.
BYD's next-generation platform will launch cars with 1,000-kilometer range and 3-minute fast charging by 2026.
A new battery design will make today's electric vehicles more efficient plug-in. It's scheduled for production by 2027.
BYD's goal is 5 million EVs per year by 2030, which would make it the largest car company on Earth by volume.
Innovation is key. This vision is just getting started.
Subscribe and stay with me, Kashifmi. The next video will show you who BYD is coming for next.